Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. What if I told you to solve this equation 4 power a equals 100 with a simpler and smarter way? Some will use calculator to solve this, some will guessing the value of a, but I will break it down step by step, and I assure you that if you stay with me for the next few minutes, you will totally understand this question. So let's dive in. We have 4 power a equals 100. In the next step, we will take the logarithm on both sides. Log of 4 power a equals log of 100. Here on the left hand side, we will use the power rule of log. Log of a power b is always equals to b times log of a. So it will becomes a into log of 4 equals log of 100. Now we will divide both sides by log of 4. Log of 4, log of 4. Log of 4 cancel with log of 4. So a will be equals to log of 100 over log of 4. Now in the next step, we will break this 100 and write this as a equals log of 4 into 25, and this denominator log of 4 as it is. Now for the numerator log of 4 into 25, we will use the formula log of a into b is always equals to log of a plus log of b. So we will use this formula in the numerator. A will become equal to log of 4 plus log of 25 over log of 4. This log of 4 is divided on the both these terms. So we can write a equals log of 4 over log of 4 plus log of 25 over log of 4. Here this log 4 cancel with log 4. We get a equals 1 plus log of 25 over log of 4. Now we will do breaking of 25 and this 4 in the next step as. Now we can write this 25 and 4 as a equals 1 plus log of 25 is basically 5 square, and this 4 is log of 2 square. Now in the numerator and denominator, we will use earlier formula. Log of a power b is written as b times log of a. So a will be equal to 1 plus 2 times log of 5 over 2 times log of 2. This 2 cancel with this 2. We get a equals 1 plus log of 5 or log of 2. Now we will use another formula of log, that is log of a over log of b can be written as log of a with the base b. We will use this formula in this complete term. So a will be equal to 1 plus log of 5 numerator and with the base b denominator 2. So this is the final value of a. We have used 3 formulas of log to solve this question and achieve this answer. But the question not ends here. We will put this value of a back in our question for verification that left hand side equal to right hand side, our value of a is correct or not. We have a value of a this. We have a question 4 power a equals 100. Now we will put this value of a in the exponent. 4 power 1 plus log of 5 to the base 2 equals 100. Now we will use formula a power m plus n equals a power m times a power n. So the left hand side will become 4 power 1 times 4 power log of 5 with the base 2, 100. 4 power 1 is 4. We can write this 4 as a 2 square log of 5 with the base 2 equals 100. Now focus here. There is a very important step here. We have to use a formula for this complete term. The formula is a power log of b with the base a always equals to b. Which one? A power log of b with the base a always equals to b. Our a is 2 and b is 5. So it will be 4 into 2 power 5 equals 100. This 2 power square log of 2 with the base 5 can be written as 2 power log of 5 square with the base 2 equals 100. 4 into 2 power log of 5 square, which is 25 to the base 2 equals 100. For this formula, we will use this one, a power log of a with the base 2 equals 5, where a is 2 and b is 25. So it will be 4 into 10, b is 25 equals 100, which is 100 equals to 100. It means our value of a is totally correct. We have put the value of a here. We will use the formula a power m plus n equals a power m times a power n. Then we can write 4 as a 2 square. Then this square can be written as 5 square, which is 25. So it will be 4 into 2 times log of 25 to the base 2. So 4 into 25 is 100 equals 100. That's all from today. Thank you for watching my video.